Financial Fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. And welcome to another wonderfully flavorful Taco Tuesday. I'm so excited to bring some delicious energy to our savings routine today. We're filling our Spicy Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge envelope while learning from our precious pig who understands the beautiful wisdom of enjoying today while preparing for tomorrow. Just like building the perfect taco means knowing which flavors work together in harmony, building your perfect financial life means understanding how saving and spending work together to create something truly satisfying. So let's create our envelope stuffing masterpiece with the same care and intention you'd use preparing a meal for someone you love. Today, for our variable challenges for Taco Tuesday, we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. We've got $60 for our variable challenges for Taco Tuesday. Let's see if we make it or if we get another IOU. That is for our variable challenges. And I say variable because remember, Taco Tuesday is one that we know exactly how much we're gonna save because we are stuffing according to the date. So we can plan for Taco Tuesday. And in Taco Tuesday today, it is the 7th, so we are saving $7. Here we go, we've got $7. So give me a moment, we'll get this 7 colored in. All right, we're gonna set that to the side so it can dry and check to see how much we've saved thus far in Taco Tuesday. In Taco Tuesday, we have $500 in high yield savings, 50, 70, 90, 95, 100. So we'll be able to put another placeholder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's $105. So let's take this 5 here and we'll use our surplus reserve to get this condensed so that we can keep our envelopes healthy and stuff this into our bank at home. And here we go, we have our $100 placeholder. Now let's get these bills in our envelope. So we've got a 50 here, 2 20s here, which make 90. We've got a 5 here to make 95, and 5 1s, which make $100. Let's not forget to place our entry in the back. So we've got 10, 7, 25, our Taco Tuesday, and we're adding $100 to surplus reserve. So now we've got $442 in surplus reserve. So now we have a condensed $605 in our Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge. Now let's move right along to our girlfriend Georgette and see exactly what she's got going on. We're gonna start with the life of a pig who wants to save but loves to spend. And in October, we're doing Fly That Broom. So we're gonna go ahead and take this challenge out of our binder to make things a bit easier on us. And this says, Fly That Broom. It's a mystery savings challenge, and it says, don't be afraid to spend money to make money. That's one thing I've never been afraid of, to invest in myself, George St. Pierre. And since this is our first Tuesday, we will be scratching off 2 of our spaces here. So we're gonna start right here by this bat. All right, and for our first space, we are saving $6, 5, 6. Now let's see what we have for our next space. I'm gonna go right here and we are saving $8. So we'll put this 5 back, get a 10, and then 3 1s. 1, 2, 3. So on this side, we've saved $14. Now let's turn it over and let's see. It says that this is week 1, so we are going to save $10. What this says is Spooky Labyrinth. Little Patty needs to get to the other side of the labyrinth to get her candy basket. Beware of the ghouls and goblins along the way. To move, you must pay the toll. Color the dollar amount once you've paid the toll. Scratch a sticker equals $5. Did you go the wrong way? Turn around equals 3. Did you turn around? You must pay the toll again. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna head in the direction I think we should be going until we get to $10. So this is $1, $2, that's $3, $4, $5, and we've got $7 here. And we're gonna go up this way, which is a scratch off. So that's gonna be $12. We can't avoid it because we do have to scratch off. So we're gonna end up paying a little more today. We're gonna pay $12 today instead of the 10 because we did scratch off. So that's 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. So 5, 10, and let's see. We've got 4 ones here. We've got 10. So we'll keep a 1 and get a 5. So now we can account for 12. All right, so in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend, today we have saved a total of $26. Let's get this into our binder and see how much we've saved thus far this year in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend. All right, thus far in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend, we have $1,300 in high yield savings and 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, $31. So we've got $1,331. We'll put the 1 here, a 10 here, and we will condense this with our surplus reserve to get a $20 bill. We'll put in these 4 5s and get a 20. So now we've got $1,331, nice and condensed for a Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend. Now we're gonna move right along to our Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. Let's take a look and see where we're traveling. That is one pretty picture, you guys. Georgette looks fierce in front of that bowl. We will be scratching off 3 spaces today. We're gonna start right here in the middle. All right, we are saving $4. Let's see, and we've got 4 ones right here. Scratch 1 more. Let's try, I'm scared of this big one, but let's try right here by the bowl. And guys, I was right to be scared. But we're not gonna be too scared because it says bonus roll a die. So we are going to get our die here, and we rolled a 6. So 6 and 4 gives us 10. So let's put this 4 here and get 2 5s. So that's $10. And just so that I can remember, I'm gonna write 6 right here. All right, and then we are gonna scratch off 1 more. Let's go right here. And we are saving another $5. So put our 5 here, so that's 15. Now let's take a look at the back. And here it says tapas time. Roll a die or 2 or 3 to pay for each tapas. Save the amount you roll and write it in the box. So we're gonna save for 3 tapas a week. We're gonna roll these 2 to find out how much we're saving for the first 2. It's only gonna be 1 die per tapa. We've got 4 and 4. So far we've got $8. Let's see what our last roll is gonna be, and it is a 5. So we will be saving a total of $13 today on this side. We've got 5, 10, 11, 12, $13 that we're saving on this side. So today in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things, we're saving 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, $28. Let's see how much we saved thus far since we've paid off prior travel and we've been stacking our cash. So collectively, in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things, we have $400 in high yield savings and 50, 70, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. So let's put this 3 here and grab a 20, and this should be $100, so that way we can get a $100 placeholder. 50, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So let's get a $100 placeholder out of our surplus reserve, and we will place an entry in here for Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. And I abbreviate that with LPT, Life of a Pig Who Travels. So we've got 10, 7, 25, LPT, 100, and now we've got $542 in our surplus reserve. Now let's get these bills in the envelopes. So now that's 50, 70, and then we should have $30 in fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So now that's $100 that we've placed into our surplus reserve, giving us a nice condensed $523 in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. And that's another absolutely satisfying Taco Tuesday cash stuffing session complete. Just like the most memorable meals nourish both body and soul, you're creating a financial approach that nourishes both your current happiness and future security. Our sweet pig continues to teach us that true wisdom isn't about extremes. It's about finding the beautiful middle ground where we can thrive today and tomorrow. Thank you for bringing your wonderful Tuesday energy to our savings celebration, my financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co., reminding you that the most delicious financial life comes from balancing your needs, wants, and those big, huge dreams. Keep finding that perfect blend, and I'll see you next time for more money magic that's as rewarding as it is practical.